If you want to see how I did this quick and easy 10 minutes natural hairstyle, definitely keep watching.
Just remember that you're the prize always.
Say that one more time.
Just remember that you are the prize.
Yes.
Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Adjoa Slay. If you're new here, thanks for coming. If you're old, thanks for always coming back. Be sure to tap on the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already. Turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out anytime we upload a video. So today's hairstyle is a very simple and easy hairstyle. It's a natural hairstyle with a little twist to it. If your hair is short, there's a little twist to it. You do not have to worry if you have short hair. So first of all, we're going to section the hair into two, the back part and the front part. So I'm going to braid away the back part and tuck it in. So first of all, I need to detangle my ends to make sure it's well detangled. Then I put it into braids, which are just as I'm doing. When I'm done, I'm going to tuck it in for you guys to see. It's a very simple and easy hairstyle. This type of hairstyle, I don't want anybody to tell me that I don't know how to do my hair, so I can't do it. This is the type of hairstyle that people that do not know how to do their own hair can do. So you just tuck in the braid with some bobby pins in place. So now let's get to the front part. That is where the style of the show, that's where the actual style of this hairstyle is. So you divide the front into two as well, and you're going to divide it into smaller bits where we're going to use rubber band to style it. First of all, we have to detangle the hair to make sure there's no tangles, tangle free and easy to style. So like I said, you divide the hair into two from the front as well. And we are going to divide each section into two again. No, we are going to divide one section into two. I think the left section into two, then the right section into numerous parts. Okay, just follow along. Take your time, grab some popcorn, some Coke, take all the time you need, get into it, follow along as we go. So like I said, we're going to section the left part into two. After we are done sectioning it into two, we're going to apply some gel, and for the gel I'm using my favorite Shine and Jam. You guys know the deal. If you've been on the channel, you should know about our favorite Shine and Jam. So after the gel, I'm going to pat the hair into smaller bits and apply the gel, and also use the rubber band to style the hair. Like I said, it's a rubber band hairstyle, so use rubber band to hold the smaller sections, which we are going to connect it to other sections as we go. So this is the second small section. You apply your gel, then you kind of twist it to make it easy in order for you to connect it to the other section, in order for you to apply the rubber band easily. I hope you get this. Is self-explanatory. This is simple. I don't know how I can explain this further apart from what I'm doing right now. I don't know which other explanation I can give. So you do the same, you repeat the same process for the first section, and you do the same process for the back section as well. So we connect each small sections with rubber band, connecting them to each other with small rubber bands. So we are done with the front, almost done with the back as well. You take small sections, connect each small section to each other with rubber band. It's easy peasy. So I'm twisting because I want the connection from one part to the other part to be easy. You don't want it to look puffy, so you twist it to make it look smaller and smooth when you're connecting it to the other part. Easy peasy. Okay, you apply the rubber band to hold it in place, and yeah, basically that's the rubber band part. We are going to repeat the same rubber band part for the other section, but it will not be in this, it will not be in a 2 section like this one. So when we are done, we have 2 sections here, so we're going to twist the ends because we're going to tuck the ends into the back section of the hair that we braided and tucked into. We're going to connect this twist to the back section of the hair. Like, explaining this tutorial is so it's such a mouthful. Like, I don't know how to further explain, but I hope you get, I'm sure you get what I'm trying to say. So for the other sections, we're going to be sectioning them backwards. The left section, we sectioned it sideways, but this section we are sectioning it back ways. So we take smaller sections, apply rubber band, apply your gel, hold it with the rubber band. When you're done, you twist it in order for you to be able to connect it to the other small sections, like so. The twisting is basically to help you connect it to the other one, to prevent puffiness when connecting it to the other ones. So you connect it to the other ones, holding it with the rubber band, you twist it, and that is it. So I'll keep quiet, let you guys enjoy the rest of the rubber band sectioning. But if you have watched the video up to this point and you've not yet subscribed to the channel, please, what are you doing? We are in 2024. I keep saying in my 2024 videos, we are in 2024. Don't be greedy. Subscribe. Click on the subscribe button. It's free. Tap on the like button. It's free. Leave a comment concerning the hairstyle. If there's anything you don't understand, leave a comment. Just appreciate the work. Say something nice about the hair. Is it nice? Is it not nice? Do you think I should have done it this way or that way? Just say something in the comments. Let's know that you are present in watching the video. We are using the comment section to mark register, so be sure to leave a comment for us to know that you are present. Okay, so yes, bestie. So this section, like I said, we are connecting it backwards. So like so, I'm done with the second sectioning. We are at the last sectioning. Go through the same process. Apply the gel, apply the rubber band, connect it to the next section, twist it and connect it to the next section, and voila, very easy peasy. Like, you should be able to do this hairstyle for yourself. And if you have kids, you should do this hairstyle for them to take to school. This rubber band hairstyle is easy peasy. I know children will stress you when you are doing this hairstyle for them, but it's a very nice hairstyle. It makes your face, it kind of brightens your face, because it's your hair is pulled back, so it's kind of brightening your face like you've done ponytail. So try it on yourself and try it on your children. If you can't do it, when you go to the salon, you show the video to your hairstylist and they'll be able to do it. So you're going to connect the ends of the other section to the back section of the hair, like so. So we are done with the styling of the hair. Now it's time to add the twist section into the hair, but I'm trying to do this I'm trying to do edges. My way of doing edges is kind of funny because I'm not the best person when it comes to doing edges, so forgive me, pardon me, okay? So we are done with my edges, my professional edges. Now it's time to add the twist. So this is the twist. This is the headband wig. I have a tutorial of this headband wig on my channel already. I'm going to link the tutorial in the description box below. It's an headband wig. So if you have short hair, don't tell me that this hairstyle is not for you. And also, the reason why I'm using this headband wig, because I don't want my ends to be out. I want to cover my ends. Hence the reason why I've tucked my ends in, and I'm using this headband wig as my imaginary hair, okay? Because I know a lot of people will see me outside and tell me that, oh, is that your hair? Your hair looks nice. Yeah, my hair looks nice in person, but this is not my hair. This is a wig. So this is a headband wig. So if you want to make one of these headband wig for yourself, like this headband wig comes in handy. It comes in handy. Like look at how I've used it to switch the style up. Like No, how are you going to know that it's not my hair? How? Like, look at what you're seeing. How will you know that this is not my hair? So I'm trying my best to hide the headband to make sure only the hair is showing. The headband should not show. I don't want the headband to show, so I'm holding the headband in place with bobby pins. I only want the hair to show. So like, tell me you don't like this hairstyle. Like, tell me in the comment section you don't like this hairstyle. Tell me in the comment section that you don't like this hairstyle. Baby, tell me you don't like this hairstyle. Baby, tell me you don't like this hairstyle. Like, look at me looking like a goddess. Like, this is Ghana month and I'm looking like I'm a Ghana with a twist. Okay, I'm a Ghana with a rubber band twist. What do you mean? Like, wait until I applied my makeup and you understand. Let me switch it up. Let me switch it up into my makeup and you see what I'm talking about. The girl is fine, okay? Forget stories. Leave stories to the storyteller. Like, look at the hair. Look at my reaction. Oh my God. The girl is so fine. The hair is giving Amagana with a twist. Modern Amagana. Okay. Thank you so much for watching up to this part. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let us know you are present. Okay. Let's mark the register in the comment section below. As long as you are not a ghost that is watching this video, please leave a comment. Okay, announce your presence in the comment section. Don't forget to be you, do you, and I'll see you in the next video.